Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up your own affiliate program on Systeme.io. So first you guys need to understand that Systeme.io has a built-in affiliate program, which means anyone who opts into your list becomes an affiliate automatically. And after that they will be able to promote your products. They'll get their own affiliate ID, but first they need to provide an email and they need to be on your list. Now to create your own affiliate program, we'll head to contacts and we'll click on tags, and here we'll go and click on create. You can name it as, once you have created your tag, we'll go and click on it. Now to further proceed into that, we need to go and create a sales funnel for that. For that, we'll just go and click on here. After clicking on here, we'll go and hit create. We'll name it as email collection, build an audience. You can here select currency, and after that just hit save, and now you will successfully create your funnel. After that, we'll go and choose a template, and once you have edited that, we'll just go and customize your thank you and download page. Customize this as well. Now here basically you can invite people to join your Facebook groups or any other relevant information. Make sure to customize it properly. Now after you guys are done with this, the only step left would be to go and here select your automation rules to send email through affiliate link to the people who registered as an affiliate. We'll just go here, and now to add actions, we'll just go here and here click on send email. Here you can go and click on this plus icon, and in the body of email you can add your URL affiliate link. You can do it simply by the substitutes present here, and after that your affiliates would have a affiliate dashboard where they can go and track their commission, and you can simply send them by clicking on these settings here and send them the affiliate dashboard link. You can head over to the settings, and here if you go to affiliate program, you'll find a couple of more settings. You guys can go and explore here. If the video was useful for you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.